topic is waterfall model. In waterfall model is the ideology about moving to another phase after completing the preceding phase executed a task completed. It has advantages and disadvantages. Advantages is it is easy to understand or easy to execute, and disadvantages is it poor to source relocation, and there is no working model available until the task is completed. And there are various models in waterfall model like V model, W model, and spiral model, and incremental model. Suppose in V model it is also called verification phase or validation phase. In verification phase, uh, in V model, every single phase has to verification phase. The preceding task has completed, and after validation phase and verification are involved in waterfall model. Testing is test of the device is planned in parallel without corresponding to the type of stage development, and verification phase is involved in static analysis without executing the code, and in the validation phase it involves in dynamic analysis method done by executing code.